What's up guys, my name is Kayam and you are watching my YouTube channel NewThings. Let's begin. Today I will unboxing the OnePlus power bank with 18 watt fast charging green color in this video. So let's see what's inside the box. Firstly, we are getting power bank and quick start guide along with USB type A to USB type C and also micro USB. Secondly, the red cable club membership card. That's it. This product is also available in Amazon.in and price is rupees 999. Link in the description box below. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe for more videos. See you soon again.